Hi, welcome to the walkthrough video of Business Expense Tracker. So this is a tracker to help keep track of all your business expenses under one glance. So first of all, we have the expense categories where you can define the different expenses that your business is incurring. I have given some predefined heads of business expenses. All you need to do is click over here to modify or change this category and then click on done. And if you want to change the subcategory inside this, just simply click on this pencil icon and you can edit these details over here. Other than that, you can also click on this new over here to add a new category of your choice. Once this is done, you can click on this and you can set the budgeted amount of expense over here. So whatever you set will automatically reflected later on in this template. Now let's go to the expenses overview. Here you can see the total expenses that has been incurred, the budgeted expenses that were set, and the percentage reflecting whether you have exceeded the budget or you're within the budget. So if you notice over here in the expense categories, we had set the budget amount of $1,100 for advertising. So I change this to let's say $5,000. Everything else will update in the expenses overview as well. So here everything you can see is changing as per the required conditions. And finally, if you go to the transaction side, here you can start entering the expenses of your requirement. So simply click over here, you can choose your date. Whatever date you choose will automatically populate as per the selected date. Then you can put the description of the expenses and you can select on this account and edit and add any of the accounts that you have already defined. And finally put in the amount of the expense over here. Once you do all these things, you can see in the summary on the left, it shows the budgeted expense, the total expense, the difference and the percentage of the budgeted expense that you have set so far. So this is a simple tracker to help keep track of your business expenses as per your requirement. If you need any further customization to this template, you can hit me up at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you on this. Thank you.